Hey there! Here are your top news stories from eWEEK, sponsored by Dell and Intel. Today's topics include Microsoft's preparations to release its PowerApps and Flow app building tools on November 1st, Microsoft's $650 in trade-in offer for eligible Max models, CenturyLink's $34 billion offer to acquire Level 3, and BroadSoft's move to purchase VoIP logic. Continuing the company's mission to create a unified cloud-enabled productivity and business application ecosystem, Microsoft announced on October 31st that PowerApps and Flow will be generally available November 1st. PowerApps is a tool for building mobile and web business apps without code. Flow is the company's workflow automation technology. Together, they help unlock new productivity-enhancing capabilities for organizations that have already invested in Microsoft's other business software offerings, such as Microsoft Office 365 and Dynamics 365. The Mac Windows competition is heating up with the long-awaited debut of Apple's new MacBook models on October 27th. Microsoft quickly announced a trade-in program directed at owners of eligible Apple hardware in the United States. Should they take Microsoft up on its offer, they can score a deal on select Surface devices. Starting today, anyone in the U.S. can trade in their MacBook Pro or MacBook Air at a Microsoft store or online for up to $650 off a Surface Book or Surface Pro, wrote Brian Hall, Corporate Vice President at Microsoft Devices Marketing, in a blog post. The promotion runs through November 10th. CenturyLink is buying Level 3 Communications for $34 billion, a move that officials with both companies said will create a significantly larger player in the global telecommunications space. Bringing Level 3 into the fold will enable CenturyLink to expand its fiber optics and data services to enterprises and extend its reach with small businesses and consumers. With the acquisition of the Level 3, CenturyLink will be better positioned to compete with telecommunications giants like AT&T and Verizon in a rapidly changing space in which businesses are demanding more network speed and capacity. BroadSoft is building out its cloud communications portfolio by acquiring VoIP Logic, a company that delivers cloud services based on BroadSoft's BroadWorks to service providers in the United States. Officials with BroadSoft said that VoIP Logic's cloud-based wholesale business model will be added to their BroadCloud Managed Services lineup and will enable service providers to take advantage of the company's capabilities within its BroadWorks and UC1 family of offerings while they migrate to a cloud model. No financial details regarding the acquisition were announced. For the entire year, BroadSoft officials said they expect VoIP Logic to contribute about $800,000 in revenue. Thanks for watching. Follow the links on this page to learn more about the stories mentioned in this broadcast, and check back every weekday for another daily tech briefing from eWEEK.com.